Hey guys, welcome back to Faster and Louder. Today, Randy and I are going to be going to Harbor Freight and a couple other places possibly to go pick up some tools and equipment for the Faster and Louder high-speed shop. I found a toolbox on OfferUp actually. It's a Homac brand. I've never even heard of it till today. Looked it up and it looks like it's a pretty decent brand, so I'm gonna go check it out. This dude's got one for like a few $100, which is actually cheaper than what I was gonna get at Harbor Freight. So I'm trying to keep costs down a little bit. I don't want to like front load my expenses on this too much. Thankfully right now I do have a little bit of cash, so I can try to outfit the shop a little bit and try to get it more prepared for the project that I got, which is the Javelin AMX that I just posted. But we're gonna try to check out this toolbox, see if it's worth it, see if it's in good shape, and then we're gonna go to Harbor Freight and probably get like a bunch of small things. So let's go. All right, so we just made it back from Hobo Freight. Just definitely not Harbor. Anyways, yeah, we got a pretty good array of some stuff to get started here at the shop. It kind of sucks because it's like one of those things that we've probably both bought a lot of this stuff at some point or another, but it's like you lose it or you get rid of it, and now you got to buy it for like the 18th time. So hopefully we can hang on to this stuff and it'll last for a little bit. I think that lasting for a long time and Hobo Freight don't necessarily go well together, but we'll see. So we got, what do we got here? Got some, this is definitely going to be nice for the Javelin since it's all crusty. Needed some random screwdrivers. We got a heavy duty power strip, cable, some socket rails. We got a shop light, LED one, wrench holder thingy, magnetic parts holder tray. American flag, that's pretty much the most important thing that we got. Definitely need that or else we're not patriotic. We got a toilet paper / paper towel holder for the toolbox. Some little micro drivers. And Randy got some polishing tools because he's got to polish some stuff. We got a big old breaker bar for bashing in heads and getting stuff loose. And we got a lug wrench because we don't have any power tools here yet. A hose. Some of the stuff is what we're going to use today, which will be a separate video, but we're going to try to get the Javelin clean-ish. We got this cheapo shop vac. This thing was only $34. That was cool. And then the big item, Randy bought this Daytona low profile long reach jack, and they didn't have any jack stands, so that was kind of a bummer. But we'll get those. And I can't remember if I even showed it, but there's a bunch of just random stuff that came with this toolbox. So definitely, this toolbox was definitely not stolen. Definitely not stolen. But it has like a bunch of random. Oh man, this has a flashlight already. Look, it even works.
So dim.
Well, if you look here, look, the guy put his initials and the date. I'm pretty sure that's when this was new. So 96. That's only a year younger than Randy. Oh, dope. See, look, we got everything we need thanks to this not stolen toolbox. There's like Allen wrenches.
Here's the key.
There's some things that I've never actually used before.
Some dog nail clippers.
That's what it looks like.
What the hell?
These look like feeler gauges of some kind. I tried to pull them out earlier, but I think it's too tight here. I don't know, pretty cool. And then check this out. It's like a Swiss Army knife, but it has like brushes and picks in it. You ever seen that before? That's pretty cool.
That's interesting.
Yeah. Actually, we should probably just empty all this stuff. Look, that's a little cutter thing for steel stuff. Yeah. So we're gonna empty out this toolbox, and I'm gonna put stickers on it to decrease the value right away. And then, yeah, we'll show the nicely organized toolbox. Okay, so we got all the tools out of the toolbox, and this is what was in there. It looks like he did some sort of like soldering, and there's like a wide array of random tools. Like this is for like honing cylinder walls and stuff. And he's got like some old kind of wood crafting hammers of some kind. Just a bunch of random stuff. This is my hammer. But yeah, we got it empty, so we're just gonna vacuum it out, wipe it down real quick. This is some of the junk that came out of there. Some of our stuff. All right, let's vacuum it. Oh my god, look at that beauty! That's the best looking jack I have ever had. Oh, yeah, don't kill yourself. Look at that. 3-ton, low profile, long reach, high performance.
Oh, wait, what?
He don't need no instructions.
Alright.
Wait, why is the pad on the wrong side? Whoa! What the fuck was that? I hope you didn't break something. Whoa! Well, this is part of whatever it was. What was that from? Was that a stopper?
It might have been.
Just a...
I think it just broke like a little stopper guide thing for like a first time.
Yeah, it's like, please remove this. It probably says in instruction, step 1, don't forget to remove the plastic stopper. It could fly up and
Kill something.
it can make you blind. Wow. Anyways, yeah,
That was freaking epic.
he's putting together the floor jack. No problem. Easy stuff.
Oh shoot! Oh wait, check this shit.
Hold on. Okay, now go.
Check it up.
No! Alright, Randy's taking stuff from the tools that we got, putting on the rails. Oh man, let's look at that, Randy. How nice. Oh my god. And as promised, I reduced the value of my toolbox of stickers. Yeah. It's killed off. That's people that sold me the shifter and the Challenger. Next to that is my wife's tattoo sticker thing she designed. It says heckin' metal. And I just got a bunch of random other things, stuff I've bought over time, just slapped on here to make it my own, you know? Alright, so we got some stuff wrapped up. We got the toolbox looking all good. It's all organized and everything. And looks a little sparse in some of these because, you know, just starting, man. But it looks good. Hell yeah. Got the American flag up there.
Yeah, mandatory.
Well, so next week probably we're actually gonna start on the Javelin. We're gonna try to get it cleaned up. It's super dirty inside and out. We're probably gonna take the seats out. We're gonna vacuum the hell out of it. Try to get some of this crust that's been on here for years and years washed away and see what it looks like. And then after that, we're probably gonna start working on trying to get it running. So we might actually just end up combining those videos into one video. See what happens, I guess. But the shop is coming together and it's like legit, feels legit.
Yeah.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Please be nice to us in the comments and don't hurt our feelings. Take it easy.